Foreign exchange, Forex or FX for short, is the exchange of one currency for another. Say you decide to go on your holidays to New York. It makes very good sense to carry with you a couple of credit cards, but also some US dollars just in case. So you go to the local bank and hand in 3,000 euros to get the equivalent in US dollars. All set to go. Amazing! Awesome! I'm sure you had a very good time and you enjoyed the glitz and the glitter. But time flies. On the way back, you realize that you have $1,000 left. Off you go to the nearest bank to convert it to euros. This is foreign exchange. Nowadays, this exchange is carried out online to benefit from price fluctuations.